Now I'm sure many of you have used these 3 items in any of your Minecraft builds, but there's a big problem. If you're in creative mode, you don't want to end up spreading these all over the place. Instead, you'd rather use a much simpler item. I'm going to show you on how to get the new light block in Minecraft Java 1.17. Now this is a really cool block that I think many of you will definitely be using it in your builds. Because for me personally, I'm absolutely tired of putting torches all over the place. I'm tired of putting lanterns all over the place, and to be honest, it's about time that this block came to the Java edition. Now even though that we do have mods that do introduce stuff that's similar to this block, I mean with it being a vanilla Minecraft, it's going to be really good for a lot of players who don't like to use modded Minecraft. Now if you want to be able to obtain this block, you need to do a /give command. You have to type in /give add p and then Minecraft light. Press enter and then voila, you get yourself your light block. Now by default it's going to be at level 15, but once you place it down, if you want to change the light level, then you can just interact with it directly, and this is one feature I absolutely love. Now to get the light block on the Bedrock edition, it's going to be a little bit different, because as you can see we have ourselves this command at /give add p then light underscore block. But if I'm going to press enter, we get ourselves the light level 0. So what is the deal with that? A lot of people seem to have this issue, and they do not understand exactly what the next step is. Well, if you want to be able to get the light level that you want, you have to type in the amount, and then you have to type in the data, which is going to be the part where a lot of people get stuck on. Well, you're simply going to type in the light level, type in 15, then you get yourself the light level 15. If you want to change the light level, then you can come inside here, and you can make this a 5. And now we got ourselves a light level of 5. And I just don't like this at all. Just being able to interact with the block, it just makes things so much easier, and just need to type in a command over and over again just to change your light level. It can get a little bit tedious and absolutely annoying. So please, Mojang, please fix it over on the Bedrock edition. And another thing I love about the Java edition is that whenever you hover over this block, then you can actually see the block right in front of you whenever you place it down. Then you can destroy it at any time, which I absolutely love. Now back over on the Bedrock edition, we have ourselves a light block in our hands. If I go and place it down, over on the Java edition we can see where we placed it down. But even though we know where the light level is on the specific block, we cannot actually see the actual block, which means that we cannot destroy the block. Even if I break it where it's at, I cannot destroy that block. The only way that you can get rid of it is if you place a block where that light source initially was. Because the way that light works over on the Bedrock edition, it is slightly a little bit different than over on Java edition. But I would really love to see them make a change where you can actually see the block whenever you place it down, like barrier blocks or even structure voids. But we're not back over on Java edition, and the next subject is going to be building with these. Now the light block is also going to be really good if you want to fill up large areas full of the light block. So as you can see, I filled up this little area over here all the way with these light blocks. And if I go ahead and deselect it, the entire cave is not going to be lit up. So we can definitely use this if we're making very large builds and we're just replacing the air around the area. It just makes it very easy to do so. Instead of needing to spam torches everywhere, you can just go ahead and place down a bunch of light blocks, and I absolutely love that. You can still build on the area, but wherever you place down the light blocks, the light block will disappear. And that is why I love the light block so much on Java edition, and why I hate it so much over on the Bedrock edition. So if it was just so much easier on Bedrock edition, I think I would end up using it a lot more, and I think many people would understand it a lot better as well. But with all that being said, that's basically it for everything I wanted to talk about in today's video. And down below in the comments, I do want you to tell me about what you think of the light block. Which one is your favorite? The Bedrock version or the version over on Java edition? But if you guys did happen to enjoy this video, then please consider leaving a like on it, subscribe if you're new around here, and turn notifications on. And I will catch you next time. Goodbye.